Okay, guys, welcome. We have a dual video today.
You do not have permission to see the first part of this video.
We have Tracy. I have Tracy from the Mermaid Cove with us today. Yay!
Hi, Tracy.
Excitement!
Yes, and Tracy has brought over some treasures from Trader Joe's for us to do a taste test.
Absolutely.
If you want to see more Trader Joe's hauls, check out Tracy from the Mermaid Cove. The link is down below.
And I do taste tests every single time.
Taste tests every time, so I'm really excited. We're going to do a little taste testing today, okay?
All right.
So the first thing we're going to taste test, and Tracy, tell us what we've got in this
These
bag.
are the new dill pickle chips. I don't know if they're new or just seasonal and they're back.
Okay.
Okay, and they mean dill pickle, they mean dill pickle.
Ooh.
All right?
All right.
I'm not even kidding.
Okay.
That's going to be a taste.
Let's see what we got.
That smells like pickles. That smells
Holy
like
crap.
pickles.
All right, you
It really
guys.
does.
I've had one. Oh, here's the baby new puppy. Says, I like dill pickles.
There you go, babe.
You.
You ready?
Let's see what you think.
Cheers.
I'm not going to influence you.
If it wasn't for the crunch, I would swear I was eating a pickle.
It's
very dill.
It's a very dill.
Yeah, but here's my
taste.
thing. I love pickles. I don't like dill.
You know, I'm
I don't
not a
like
big
seasonal
dill fan
dill.
either.
Right, the seasoned dill.
And
This is a good
Mark is not a pickle fan at all.
And
one.
you like
I like these chips.
Did you like
I
these
think the
chips?
chip is superb and lovely, but it's
You
a
can see
little
the-
too much
you can
dill
see
for
all
the
the
Trader
dill.
Joe's.
You can see all
That's
the
a lot
dill.
of
That's
dill.
a lot. Mhm.
But the chips are amazing.
But you
They're
know,
really good.
overriding flavor, this is going to sound weird, is pickle. Like, not necessarily dill, but pickle.
For her taste buds, people, for me, is dill.
Veggie burger with these on top.
See?
Ugh.
Okay, well, I will not be buying them again, let me tell you.
When you get a little more, we're going to get.
There, you gotta go
Thumbs
get your own.
Thumbs up from us.
But people love it. If you love dill, you're gonna love these chips because they're
They're
10.
really,
But for
really
me,
good.
it's just it's not my thing. So
And,
you know,
They're like a kettle chip, right?
yeah. Well, I think so.
So
yeah,
they're
I did
really
bring the
nice
bag.
and thick and crispy.
But watch my channel and you'll see the bag.
There you go.
That's my last one. My last.
Okay, so
haul.
let's stay on the crunchy
Yes.
chip train here.
Yes.
And we have some crispy, crunchy champagne mushroom
from
snacks.
a region in France.
Okay, I'm going to start off by saying I hate mushrooms.
Oh, good. Okay, you'll probably
So
love
we're
them
going to
then.
give this a try.
Lulu might join us.
And so
Lulu,
these
I'm
are just cooked
Come on,
in
Lulu.
sunflower oil, and they've got a little bit of sea
That's
salt.
it.
Wow.
So they're like dried out.
So they're going to be crunchy or crispy, maybe.
So let's see what we've got here.
Where's your water?
Here's Lulu.
Hey, Lulu. I wish my cat. I told my
Here
cat to
comes
give him
Ruby.
food.
There.
Here's Lulu and
Lulu, you
Ruby.
can't have it.
Ruby, don't jump
All
on the
right, I've got
table.
one.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass. I've had them.
Cheers.
It's not a good, sign. When you pass on everything. Okay, here we go.
I will try anything once.
It's good. I'm not sure. I definitely would have guessed mushroom right away. I don't think it's a strong taste. It's a nice taste.
Don't you think it's a
It's
strong
not.
taste?
Is it?
It's not a strong taste, but
It's
the fact
mushroomy.
that it looked like a mushroom just.
Oh, it's a mushroom.
pretty
All
well.
they did is take a mushroom and
Exactly.
dry it out. What I thought they'd
We
do
have-
good for, I won't know
that's
eating them like a chip,
Yeah.
like a snack.
Uh-huh.
You want to try another? But I put a few on my salad. I crumbled it up
That's
on my
not a
salad.
bad idea.
And so it wasn't
That's not a bad
overwhelming.
idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our cats will eat
And
it.
they're not like
Yeah.
they're not super salty, and they're not super mushroomy actually.
No.
Okay.
And as you chew them, and they start off crunchy, but then they get like really soft.
Yeah, like-
It's almost like, not because they're sweet, but it's almost like the texture of like a buttermint. Like you start to
Okay,
chew
that's
it,
what you-
and it's hard, but then it gets really.
I chewed mine quickly and swallowed it.
I think that's.
I didn't
know
let
if
it
that's
get
a
soft
good
in my
sign.
mouth. It was down the gullet. It was away from the taste buds, if you will.
Okay, so now we are done with.
All
crunch.
right, now the good stuff. I will try
And
this.
this.
Oh my, vodka. Ooh.
See, I thought of you, a New Yorker
Good.
friend.
Thank you. This
is
And
is
this is that
chocolate.
Jerry Seinfeld, right? When they're trying to get a babka,
That famous
right?
episode,
I've never had
absolutely.
one before.
Oh.
Never until-
Nice.
Love.
So Trader Joe's, I'm trying everything in their bakery department. You cannot beat them.
So we were talking, Tracy, before you came over, and we wondered which Trader Joe's do you go
The
to?
one that,
Travilla?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we haven't been there yet, so we'll have to
Yeah,
go.
you have to. It's really nice. And I go to acupuncture once a week, and it's right there.
Ooh.
Because it's not anywhere. It's much closer to these people than it is to me. So you guys get yourself down
I
there.
know, we don't have.
There used to be one in Gaithersburg, but that closed.
Well,
We used to be able to walk.
That's over by our where
we
we
used to be
work.
able to walk. Yeah.
Can you imagine what it would have been like if we'd had?
Oh my God! Or a Dollar Tree. Listen, I need a job where I can get a Dollar Tree on
my
my
whole
own.
paycheck would have just gone.
Oh my God!
Okay, babe. Pardon my fingers.
Do not
I'm like
worry.
destroying them.
I'm not worried. It
I
looks
know,
good.
it's
It
a
looks-
babka.
ooh, this looks really good. Ooh, babka.
Now they didn't say it was made by Jewish grandmothers, but the recipe is probably.
But
they didn't say it wasn't
That's
made.
true because you know they have their croissants are made in France and Paris. I mean, it's amazing.
really?
The pieces come from Italy. It's unbelievable. You guys are missing out on the Trader Joe's. I would call it the Joe's.
Joe's. Yeah.
I used to go there all the time.
The best, right? My mom loved it.
No,
Ruby girl.
Oh, Ruby, you can't have chocolate, baby
And not
girl.
for puppies.
Maybe a
Ruby,
mushroom.
not Ruby.
Oh,
But babe,
I
watch
think
it.
she
She's
would,
yeah, she's.
Look at those ears, a beautiful dog. I think we're crooked, but that's okay.
It's okay. We're at an angle. It's
We're at a little bit
okay.
of an angle. My
That's
good side.
okay.
I don't
That's
know. I haven't figured out and I really didn't wrap it up super right. That is how moist it still is.
Okay, we got to take that bite again because I accidentally turned
Oh,
the camera off. Okay, ready?
What happened? Cheers.
Let's see how good it is.
Oh my god, it's so good!
Now, I've never had a babka. What do you think, Mark? You're the babka man.
Yeah.
You're right up there.
It's authentic.
Thank you for watching. We're gonna turn the camera off and we're gonna eat this.
You're right.
No,
Right.
seriously, this chocolate Brooklyn babka,
Babka.
this chocolate
That's right. It's
Brooklyn
amazing.
babka,
And it's
is
not super sweet.
so incredible.
Right? It's just a rich chocolate.
It's flaky and moist. And the chocolate is so good, but it doesn't overpower it. I know that sounds crazy because it looks like it's 99.9% chocolate.
No.
Right.
But you have to look at this. Look at the chocolate chip.
Very
Yeah.
chocolate.
Look at this.
You can have your
Ruby.
mushroom
Ruby.
Look
chips.
at that. Not
You
for
can have your
you.
dill pickle chips.
Ruby and Lulu are looking too closely.
Let's just have the babka.
And I can't figure out what a slice is, but it's $2.50. Oh my
Lulu,
goodness.
okay,
Me
yeah.
eat it so she can't.
Our cats and dog will eat everything, so we cannot leave anything lying around.
Okay.
That's a 10.
When we come back,
Big
we
thumbs up.
are going to make meatless tacos.
My first
for our
time.
friend
Tracy,
Tracy.
for
My
the Mermaid
first
Co.
time,
first time.
trying meatless
Oh.
anything. We're
Meatless
going to see if
tacos.
it's something I want to incorporate because Trader Joe's has lots of stuff like
Yes, they do. Absolutely.
Yeah.
that. So anyway, let us know in the
Just
comments
know-
your favorite thing. The Trader
Yeah,
Joe's.
let us know if somebody was going to give you something from Trader Joe's, whatever you wanted. Would you pick the babka,
Would you take a cat?
the dill pickle chips, or the
If
or the mushroom
you're the kind of
chips?
person who chooses about to come to my channel and leave me a comment of what your favorite things are, and let me know that you came from
my mom's recipe
that's it.
box.
I'm trying to tell your name on Instagram.
Yes, and
Very
inspiration on afternoon.
So we'll be back when we're
We'll
ready.
be back with
Woohoo!
meatless
We're
tacos.
gonna cook.
Okay.
All right. Bye, guys. Smile for the camera.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back. So we have prepared, I know you can't really see it because the camera angle's bad, but we prepared a meatless feast for our friend Tracy Johnson, who is the star of the fabulous YouTube channel, Tracy from the Mermaid Co. Yes. So Tracy has never had, if you can believe such a thing, has never had a meatless
I'm a meat
taco.
girl. I'm a red meat girl.
Yeah, so if you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know that we have a recipe for vegetarian tacos. I'm going to put it down there for you, or actually up there.
We also did
I don't even know how to do anything.
We also-
I'm very novice. I know how to do up there.
We
So
also did the meatballs.
Yes, we've also done the meatballs, but today we're having vegetarian tacos.
Yay.
And so, Tracy, can you grab those and show the lovely people at home? This is tacos made from
looks like meat.
meatless crumbles,
Absolutely.
taco seasoning, a little garlic, a little onion, a little pepper, and some corn, some frozen corn. Okay? Yes. So we have all the fixings. We
And we have fiesta ware.
lettuce.
Yes, we did. Yes.
We have our shredded cheese
Yay,
blend.
cheese.
This is mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Colby.
I figure if it's terrible, I'm just gonna put extra sour cream and cheese on it.
There you go. We have our
And
favorite salsa. We have some sour cream, and we have some cherry tomatoes. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're all gonna have a taste
I
test
love a
of
taste
something
test.
we've never had before.
Yay, yay, yay.
We are gonna try this Coke coffee.
Tracy, are you a big coffee fan?
I am.
You
but
and Susan are big.
I'm a huge
I'm
coffee.
getting.
I
more
mean,
into
I haven't
pizza.
had it like since Mimi got sick because of my stomach. But I can try this. This is fine. The Coke is the devil for me, so it's not. But I can have it.
And I'm a coffee addict. I haven't had Coke in a really
I
long
like
time.
vanilla.
It's the devil.
So it's something for all of us. You
Something
like
for all of
vanilla,
us.
you like coffee, I like coffee, you like Coke.
I used to love Coke. Then we broke up.
So there's something for all of us,
And it's a nice can.
and it's a
It's
nice
a-
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah,
So
okay.
here we
Very
go.
exciting.
Say one.
That's good. Yeah.
As much as you want.
It has an interesting smell.
It's crazy.
Doesn't smell super coffee.
Just the aroma. That's good.
Okay, so let's do the smell test first.
The bouquet is
Smells
dark.
like-
It smells
It
like
smells
Coke.
like Coke.
It smells like
Yeah,
Coke
it
to me,
doesn't smell
too.
like coffee. Or vanilla.
Cheers.
All right, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Oh, I taste the vanilla and the Coke. I'm not
That
sure.
tastes coffee.
I'm not sure about the coffee.
It tastes like maybe the afterkick a little bit.
Oh, I
Tastes
do.
like a-
The
maybe a
after-
little
the
coffee
at the
after-
end.
The aftertaste.
The end note is the coffee.
Yeah. Oh,
I don't get vanilla though.
It's kind of
It's
it
interesting.
kind of ends on sort of a watery coffee.
But yeah, it's such like it's like a deeper, richer Coke.
You know what this needs? You need to scoop ice. You need to make a float.
Yeah, that would.
Do that
Yeah,
next time.
that would
Yeah,
be good.
actually, I tried this. It's espresso in a bottle with sparkling water, and you should try that. It was interesting, but I thought it would be a perfect float because don't they do that in New York? They have those kind of
Oh yeah.
Very good.
So yeah,
Okay, so I think you give it kind of thumbs up. Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it because I can't have it, but
Yeah.
it's
Right.
not bad.
I don't know if I would you try it?
Once in a while, like once a month.
If you put ice
It's
cream in
not
it,
terrible.
No.
You can put ice cream in it.
because you're not
Well,
gonna,
that's
you
a
don't
good
want to sit
dessert.
down and sip that.
I
don't think.
You sort of don't want to have a can of it. Like come home.
No.
I don't drink
I
coffee
wouldn't.
late. I drink it in the morning.
Oh, I can't
And
drink coffee.
I would have
That's
soda in
about
the
like
morning.
if I drink coffee
It has to be
at
like
2, I'd be
afternoon
out.
like this.
I'm
Yeah, I
sensitive.
drink coffee.
I'm a sensitive.
I say I drink coffee. Chocolate on.
People
Think
could do
about
that.
versus
Like,
a coffee.
could you drink soda in the day and go to bed?
Yes.
I couldn't.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Caffeine didn't bother me until I got older.
Right. And that's
And then I just went through a phase where it bothered me. Now it doesn't bother me. But I do have to take melatonin to fall asleep. So maybe it does
Well,
bother me.
I'm on heavier drugs than that.
Anyway,
Okay.
let's
That's
get
what
back
that's
to the
like a baby
meatless
drug.
taco.
Talk to me about trazodone.
All kinds of good stuff.
That will be another video.
Another
Yes,
video.
yes. If we could
Next
discuss
time.
my medications.
We'll all talk about our pills. We'll have to
Yeah. Oh my God. But thank God we have pharmaceuticals. You think about all the generations of my ancestors were killed for something, right?
Oh, it's not open.
I'm telling you, a good antidepressant saved my life.
Yeah. No, it is. Medicine's so important. You just gotta treat it like it's not, a throwaway thing.
Okay, so we have a variety. We have hard and soft shells. Of course, you can use no shell. You can use a wrap if you want to.
Tracy, do you want the soft? I don't know.
What is it?
It's soft shell. I don't know. If you like hard.
I like
I'm gonna do a hard one.
Okay. Ruby.
I love having options.
Ruby is standing up on the chair.
Hi, Ruby. Oh, she's like,
And
Ruby.
Ruby's like, I'm pretty sure I like taco. I'm from Texas.
Ruby girl.
I know you can't really see.
Can't really
her.
see her. Yeah. Don't get her. Don't get her in trouble. She's gonna put it in the mouth. Yeah.
No.
Ruby, sorry, girl.
Sorry. So, let's use.
Yeah.
I mean, I wash it.
Everyone wants, right?
That's the one thing I'm an expert hand washer.
Yeah.
I like my cheese.
Watch out for this thing. No, I'm saying watch out for her. She's gonna snatch it right out of your hand.
Damn. He was talking about me, by the way.
Ruby,
Yeah, I'm doing a mess here. I like that. Have you tried the squeezable sour cream?
Yeah,
so nice.
It's a great idea. I mean, I think they should have like squeezable
Yeah, now.
ketchup, mustard,
They do.
mayonnaise.
They have a new,
sour
do you like Chick-fil-A?
well, we don't eat chicken, so you know.
Right, okay, right. But they have a sauce. You can get the sauce now at the store.
Oh.
Either the Polynesian or the regular, and it's really good. Next time I'll bring some for you to try. Because they're too big for me. Like it's this big.
They go bad before.
They will. I'll do that now. I'll start sharing with you guys. Because Beverly never wants to try anything. What brand is this?
This is Herdez, and it's my
They're really good.
What is it?
Herdez.
Yeah,
I've never heard of
it's
that.
a good one. It's a really good one, absolutely.
Did you hear that, Herdez? You can sponsor.
Yeah, that's right.
We're using your sauce.
Okay. You're gonna be able to flip it. It's okay. Tacos are messy, which is one of the reasons I love it.
Which is why we're only filming above the nuts. So you can't see.
Back in the day, my dad had a little thing, and he put oil and fried. You know, you had a fried
Oh
chicken.
yeah. Oh,
That was the
so
best.
good. Okay,
All
guys.
right. Cheers. Bon appetit.
Okay.
I'm gonna try a bite without all the yummies on it.
That's a good sign, I think. Oh, this is good.
It's really good, yeah.
It really, yeah, I think the texture is different.
It is a little different.
It's not
You don't have any of the
it's softer, right?
It's softer.
It's all.
Yeah, but I'm gonna give it hamburger being a 10. I'm gonna give it a 7.5. It's not
That's
bad.
good.
I would
I'll take
definitely.
it.
I would make this in. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try. I don't know about a burger,
Well, that's the thing. So
I
you-
wouldn't use it in a burger.
No,
seriously.
but you have to buy burgers.
But you like burgers. I'm saying,
Right.
okay.
I love
Next time you'll try Beyond Meat Burger with us,
Okay.
and you'll see.
When you come back next time, we'll do
Beyond
burger.
Meat, I think you'll be very happy.
I'm pretty confident
Oh yeah.
that I would say it would be more than a 7.5.
Okay.
Because we've had serious meat eaters try it, and they're like, "Whoa."
Yeah. And not in a bad
I've heard that.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, guys.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for coming by.
Thank you,
And
Tracy.
those of you who are hesitant, try it.
Try it.
I think you'll like it. I'm a new girl now. I try everything once, but there'd been a day I wouldn't have touched it. But I would say try it.
Hey,
really
if
like
I
it.
can eat mushroom chips.
That's the first. I think that's the first.
That's
No one's ever
amazing.
done that.
Yeah. Because I'm not a trier. You know, Mark will tell you.
Don't you feel now that you have your channel, you try more?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's been really good for me that way. I was definitely a child of the 70s. We grew up with Pop-Tarts and things that do not have flavor. Flavor scares me. As a matter of fact, she put like 4 tablespoons of chili powder, but I would probably put 1. So I was watching it, but you know what? I think some of my taste buds have died, so I can handle different flavors
Very
now.
So you guys out there with dead taste buds.
Right. Add more taco seasoning. I know, right?
So check out Tracy's channel,
Yes,
Tracy from the
please.
Mermaid Co. She does some incredible taste tests and food hauls.
Just
Mark
a
and I
normal
are
girl
gonna try
trying
out-
stuff.
We're going to try out the Trader Joe's stuff that Tracy recommends.
Absolutely.
So good.
But
Trader Joe's, are you
don't
listening?
watch it when you're hungry because, my God, you will shop.
You'll buy a lot.
And even now, you know,
Buy a lot.
we're doing my grocery shopping from Giant online, right? They bring it to your car. But in the thing, they have new. You can click on that and see all the new products where you would never find them in the grocery store. So I've been trying
That's
all
a great
kinds of.
idea.
It's so awesome. They have so many new. It might be new to their store too, but like the Chick-fil-A sauce was in a new thing. I would never look for that. So you guys try that. It's really. So I have all kinds of
That's a
new
great
products at the regular grocery store.
In fact, what do you think about the idea of having like a new to you cooking show? Where we buy
awesome.
stuff that's new to
And
us.
that's perfect.
and we try it and we make stuff out of it.
But we're still doing the vegetable
What do you think,
lasagna.
guys? What do you think? Drop us
Nice
a
to
line.
meet you.
Let us
Look
know
forward
what
to
you
seeing
think.
you on my channel. And I'm not having another taste. Number 10.
I might try one more taste. Because that last piece of taco is a little spicy.
Yeah, this is spicy taco.
For you.
It is.
Extra cheese, extra sour cream. We'll take it.
I'm just a girl who grew up in Southern Maryland, and we didn't have super spicy unless it was Old Bay.
That's all we have for Old Bay. Someday we'll do Old Bay tacos.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Okay?
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks. See you on my
Please
channel.
like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, and go see Tracy from the Mermaid Co.
Take care,
Link
guys.
is below. Bye bye.
Bye bye.